I started.
Right, okay, here we go. Do, do, do. How best to get into it? Ready? Oh, let me take a look. Nope. Oh, not very good at this, am I? Crash. Crash. Do, do. Do, do. Right, you ready for this? Tum, 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 tum. There we are. Wow. Can you guess?
Yep.
And rather nice. Video cable.
Right, come on.
Carry on.
Yep.
There we are. Now this is how you wrap something up for post. Carries on. And on. And on. Wow. I think that's pretty well wrapped up. Nearly there. It's one of those. Hooray!
There we are.
You can do your close up. The shift keys look a little yellowed. Otherwise it looks fine. So here it is in all its glory. The new Commodore with a more modern SID chip, or a different SID chip. And I've decided to buy one of these, an SD-to-IEC. And while I've made some use of this already and switched it on, checked it worked, loaded some programs, had a little fun with it already, I'm going to follow the generic advice and help to preserve the computer by improving its cooling. And that's a very simple thing to do with these later wedge-shaped C64Cs. And the way to do that is to remove the RF shield, which is a layer of cardboard on the inside. So that's what I'm going to do today. So the first thing to do, clear a little space. Take that away. Turn the machine over. Locate the 3 screws. You can see someone's been into this machine already, as the warranty seal is broken. It's also, barcode is there, but it's fallen off. Screwdriver. There we go. So 3 screws at the front, just the same as the breadbin. But then a a little different is there's some plastic clips on the side which just pop, and then with a little teasing, a little backward slide. The top will hinge up. You have to undo the LED socket, lay that to one side, and we're in. And the comments are that this cardboard shield traps a lot of the heat within the computer, which possibly explains why there's an awful lot more ventilation on this machine than there is on the breadbin. All of those vents are open, whereas most of them are decorative on the other machine. So, we've got 2 screws to hold the keyboard in, whereas I think there's about 6 or 8 on the other one, or more. Pops up, oh, slides forward, and then there's another little ribbon connector to undo. With that undone, we can lay that to one side, and we can see the cardboard. There's a little clip linking to that bit there. And the whole thing folds back, and we can see the motherboard in all its glory, complete with the 8580 SID chip, which makes it different from the breadbin, a different sound. And a clip for that. One screw for that. One in the middle. One. Two. Three. And the last one in the far corner. 4 screws at the back, and hopefully this is loose. Yes, there we go. So we can tease that out. And this is the cause of many people's concerns. A foil sheet laminated onto cardboard that people suggest retains about 10 degrees centigrade within the computer. So we can set that to one side, and reassemble everything, safe in the knowledge this computer may now run 10 degrees cooler than it might otherwise. And of course a further step would be to put heat sinks on the chips, but I haven't got those at the moment. So this should do it. Through those. And one in the corner. One in the middle. One keyboard bracket. last step. Reconnect the LED, line up the clips, and replace the 3 screws. There we are. One very simple modification to take 10 degrees centigrade out of the inside of the computer and help preserve it. Job done.